Hello, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to compare the game turbo of features between the Poco M3 Pro versus the Poco X3 device. So yes friends, I do have the Poco M3 Pro right now with me, and let's see what are the game turbo of features will be different from this latest model to the from this Poco X3 which has got launched 7 months ago. So this is what I'm going to compare, and this will be the really benefit of a lot of gamers who are actually thinking of buying one of the device for the gaming purpose. So that is the reason main point of making this kind of video friends, especially comparing only game turbo features between both phones. So let me try to show you exactly Android versions what I'm trying to run. So MIUI version, so both are MIUI 12 only, but 12.0.8 and 12.0.2. you can clearly see the difference, slightly difference. So still I'm not running the MIUI 12.5 version. That is another thing. Let me try to scroll down to the special features, so where you can actually find the option which is called the game turbo. So let's see friends which will be really as a futuristic and which has got really better option. That is what we'll try to see in this video. So let me try to connect to the Wi-Fi, and I'll try to start playing some games as well to show you the demonstration of the real-time game turbo. Let me try to open the game turbo. So first I want to see any kind of different kind of animation and same kind of interface. You can see friends, there's nothing much difference in terms of the interface wise. You can clearly see here. So all the same kind of options you're getting, that's a really good thing. And first thing you will be definitely noticing one thing is that why I'm seeing only 2 digits and why there are 3 digits. So that means one thing which is not included with is a GPU, as you can clearly see friends. So there is no GPU included, the percentage in this Poco M3 Pro device. As you can clearly see, that is another reason why you're seeing less number. And now let's explore the settings. So what are the settings options you can actually get in this phone? In both phones I'm trying to show you friends. Let me go to the general. So this is the phone which is a Poco X3 device. So this is a Poco X3. It's really hard to tell which phone is what type of phone, because both phones have the same kind of punch hole. So as you can see, let me try to slightly zoom into the settings. So both phones are having the same kind of options in the menu. As you can see, game turbo, in-game shortcuts, uninstall games, aim, same kind of home page orientation shortcuts, and performance mode. And performance mode, let me try to tap on that. Wi-Fi optimization, and yes, and you do have the bandwidth priority. That's another new thing I'm trying to see. Maybe the Wi-Fi optimization is the one they changed, the renamed maybe. And enhancement audio, that's really good new option which we did see in the Poco M3 Pro device. As you can see, it's the Poco M3 Pro which I'm trying to use. It's new option which is enhancement audio. Next is game do not disturb. Both phones have same kind of option and additional settings. Let me try to go. Let me try to open one of the application which is a PUBG game. Let's see what are the additional settings you are getting in this both phones. Same kind of touch control, touch sensitivity, and everything is same, and that's it. In the Poco M3 Pro, you cannot get any other option, where in the Poco X3, there is a hidden option which is the enhancement visuals. As you can see friends, this is completely next level enhancement, where you will get really very good colors. In terms of enhancement colors, you will get a lot of benefits using this kind of mode, but that mode is not present in the in the Poco M3 Pro device. That is quite disappointing friends, really. So I did like this kind of visual enhancement most of the time, but it's not there unfortunately. So these are the complete in-depth tutorial we did go through in this in the game turbo. But now explore the games. Let's start playing some of the games, and let's see whether playing any games will it make any kind of difference or not. That is what I'm going to check right now. Playing the game which is called the Get Away 2. Let me try to open at same time. I'm opening the games at same time in both phones, and I will be able to show you exactly. The game opened first in the Poco X3 device, and now the Poco M3 Pro, it's taking some time as well. Let me try to show you. Otherwise, let me try to open the PUBG game itself, because a lot of users, they will definitely ask me this kind of question: how is the PUBG experience? That is what I'm trying to show you exactly friends. So which phone has got what type of settings you should know while you're playing the game. That is really important. So whatever we did see before, it's only 50%, and whatever now we are saying, it's about 50%. Let me try to follow exactly friends all this kind of tutorial. You will get to know which phone has got what kind of results. And let me try to quickly swipe from the left side. So both phones, they do have this kind of option which is a swiping from left side. So it's taking a lot of time for me to unlock this kind of option. As you can see, now we got this kind of option. And both phones, you do get this kind of game turbo or toolbar on the top, as you can clearly see. So now here you don't see any kind of GPU performance as well, only you're seeing the CPU overall, as you can clearly see. And on the top you do get 3 options same, and 3 options same, everything is same. But the real magic happens when you try to click on this arrow mark, as you can see, and there you can find the same kind of options in both phones. same kind of options, but particularly one option which is different, which is called the visual enhancement. This is that option, friends, which will change the old colors. As you can see, this is how much powerful it is. So it looks completely before not that good. So these are normal colors. If you try to use this kind of visual enhancement colors, as you can see, how much colors it got improved and much brighter experience you are getting. So that is what we are missing in this Poco M3 Pro device. That is what really we are missing, friends, in terms of the game turbo features. But overall, everything is same. You are getting the same kind of FPS meter on the top and same FPS meter you are getting. So there's nothing much difference in terms of the game turbo overall experience. And even the voice changer as well. I think you do get same kind of option. Let me try to quickly show you the voice changers. So whether you are getting same kind of options or not. Yes, same options we are getting in this one as well. So in terms of the voice changer, so there is nothing much difference. I'll try to do another video as well, basically testing this kind of voice changer features. In case if you are interested, I can do that kind of video as soon as possible for you all. So alright, friends, there are a few differences in terms of the game turbo features between both phones, and you can actually boost the RAM as well by clearing the background memory. If you want, you can clear, as you can see, clearing. So free up the RAM. You can get this kind of message as well, free up the RAM. As you can see, all the background applications will be completely cleared in this way. In case if you want to boost slightly the RAM as well, that is also possible in these both phones. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and this is a quick complete in-depth tutorial about this complete game turbo features between both phones. And finally, let me try to show you one more thing, which is the opening and closing of the game turbo animation. There is one thing which I forgot. I did not show you in the Poco X3 what is the animation we are getting. We need to open at same time. I'm trying to open. Let me try to go to the ear. Let's see, friends, which phone has got what type of animation. As you can see, I think slightly both are having same kind of animations itself and same kind of effects. So let me to slightly increase the volume, so you'll be able to experience this kind of sound as well. As you can see. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates, interesting comparisons as well between both phones, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.